Yo, what's up guys? In this quick tutorial we will learn how to make this super cool looking line burst animation in After Effects, which is super simple. So yeah, let's do this under 3 minutes hopefully. So let's go into a new composition and let's make a shape layer, of course. And yeah, just for reference, let's turn on the proportional grid on this setting here, so we just can place this at the center. So yeah, let's actually make a line a little bit right to the center. So don't start in here, just go to the right a bit and then hold shift to make a straight line and just go to the outside a bit. And now we can already deactivate the grid. And yeah, now we have this little line and this isn't useful, so let's change a few things. So first of all, let's put in a higher value in the stroke setting. So I'll just go with something like 15. And let's also change the cap type to round cap, so we have these round corners basically. And yeah, now let's animate this by pressing add again, and let's add a trim paths effect. And yeah, let's go to the beginning of our animation, so make sure you're at frame 0 basically, and bring this down to 0, the end setting, and put in a keyframe, and then just go forward to like 1.5 seconds and bring this to 100 again. So now we have this really slow animation. Let's change that by opening up the graph editor and clicking on end and basically double clicking it so we can select every keyframe in here. And then let's click on the Easy E setting on the right, and yeah, let's bring the first keyframe a bit upwards. So yeah, this will have more like an explosion movement and not a slow movement. So we can see, this will go really fast at the beginning. But of course, as you can see, this doesn't vanish as we want. So let's also go to the beginning and put in a keyframe at start at 0%. And then go a bit before the end and put in 100. So now we can see this line will just vanish. Afterwards, maybe let's put the keyframe a bit more to the right. So just like this. And now we can see we only have one line, but we want multiple of these. And to achieve this, we just can add a repeater effect to the shape layer. And if we open this up, we have to change a few settings. So let's open up the transform. And by default, there's 100 here in position, but we just want to rotate it and don't want to displace it on the position. So let's bring this down to 0, but let's change the rotation to 60 degrees. And we already see we have a few copies, but let's turn up the copies to 6 so we get a full circle basically. And now we're already done. This is a bit big, so we can just select this shape layer and press S on the keyboard to scale it down. But if we do this, we have a perfect looking line star animation. And of course we can just duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl D and changing the size or the position or the position on the timeline, and can make multiple of these. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.